So, today we are going to see what is inside a Nerf gun. I've removed all the screws using one of these things. Very small, can fit into these holes, and there's a ton of screws. So, I mean, you can try this at home, and yeah, it's really interesting. So, first I'm going to take off the lid. And now we've got this thing. This thing is like the attachment point to one of the other Nerf modulus guns, which is the type of gun. If you want to pause the video here, you can try one yourself. I'm not trying to advertise, I'm just saying, because, well, it's Nerf. So, we got here the mechanism, the trigger mechanism. All the other stuff we don't exactly need. So, if I unscrew this screw here, I think, we can take it out, and you have your mechanism. So, how does it work? Well, when it's here, and this thing is here, you pull back, like many other Nerf guns. The trigger is the only thing that's stopping it from... If there's like this weird interruption, don't blame me, it's my cameraman's fault. So, again, on how it works, the trigger is the only thing stopping it. There should be some sort of latch on the spring, so when you pull it back, you can hear that click sound. It's this thing, the big lever, catching on the latch. And when you release the latch, the thing pushes up, squeezes all the air, and goes bang with one of the Nerf darts.
There are 4 barrels.
Yeah, there are 4 barrels. I don't know how that works because you can't exactly take apart this thing. Yeah, there's no way to take this apart. So, this is the latch I'm explaining. It's this little thing on the side. So when the Nerf trigger catches on it, it can't go up until it releases, and then it goes poof. So that's how a Nerf gun works. And there's really nothing else. Yeah, sort of like this. Yeah, this is sort of the concept with the bike pump. Now this thing is like the trigger, sort of. So you push it down, there's power, you pull the trigger on, and then the thing can't fire. When you let go of the trigger, it fires. Same concept with the Nerf gun, really. So that's all, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to
What you will
subscribe.
be doing next time?
Yeah, what I'm going to be doing next time, I'm probably going to be modifying this. Yeah, that's pretty much all.